typically what we do day in and day out is residential service and replacement heating and air work. And so what that means is we work for existing homeowners in their homes, going into either installing new heating and air systems, repairing them when they break down, and then taking care of them year after year. We do this typically for pretty much any style of residential heating and air system. We do work for some what I call a little bit larger sectors of, think of it as light commercial, meaning we do churches and some other bigger buildings, but our bread and butter is working for homeowners. Our team is very experienced and has a lot of different heating and air experience when it comes to all the different styles of systems. So in where we live in central Indiana here, our most common one is what we call a forced air heating and air system, meaning we've got some type of gas furnace or electric furnace combined with an air conditioner or heat pump, and it uses ductwork throughout your home. We've done that one since pretty much the beginning. Some of the other specialized systems that we deal with significantly are what we call geothermal systems. Geothermal systems are a specialized, very energy efficient heating and air. Typically most of those use ductwork as well, but then they have no outdoor unit, but they have a piping system going underground that we use. We also work with what we call boilers or hydronic heating systems. And then another very popular one that's kind of increasing each year is what we call ductless or mini split heating and air systems. So we work with all of these, have tons of experience doing them over the years, and we continually train our team on just the best and how to make sure these things last and are installed properly. We work on just about any brand out there, just because for us, they're all very much similar. Now, we do have some partnerships with some great manufacturers that we specialize in. With that being said, though, we pretty much feel that we can take care of any heating and air equipment out there that might be in your home. So don't hesitate to give us a call.